This is the basic circuit with the NAND as the central circuit. As we already know, this circuit can also be represented as the following equation. We can now substitute 0 and 1 for A and B respectively and get these four equations. If we now change the original equation so that we use 0 as B, we always get 1. These and many other calculation rules can be used to simplify circuits. Now we change the circuit so that both inputs are connected and receive the same value. We already learned in the last video that this reverses the value. We can write our equation like this and abbreviate this with this and call it NOT from now on. Now run this command on the console. This will create a file called not.py. We rename this file, otherwise it will cause problems with Python. Now we open the file and import the NAND. Let's rewrite the calculate method. We simply translate the circuit into code. Now we create an additional method. This produces the result directly. These are used as soon as the FPS rate becomes too low. Now let's open main.py. Here too we import the emergency class. We adapt the dictionary and then move on to panel.py. Finally we change the init.py. Now let's build this circuit. Let's look at the possible equations. Now let's combine two NOT in a row. As you can see, both do not cancel each other out. Now that we know what a NOT is, let's go back to our NAND. Now if we set B to 1, we can easily see that this corresponds to a NOT A. Now we create this circuit. As you can see, this always results in a 1. So for this time we have learned everything about NOT switching. In the next video we'll look at the next circuit, the AND circuit.